What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. Today, I got a story time for you guys. You guys read the title. It happened to your boy, okay? And guess what bike it happened on? It happened on Leticia, the 3,000 watt, 72 volt electric XP. It's unfortunate, you know, we just built her. Like, come on. We couldn't even enjoy her for like a week. So, the other day, your boy took Leticia out for a little ride, right? And I'm not gonna lie, I was probably going like 35, 37 miles per hour, you know, riding around on the streets. And then, you know, I decided to come down here, which is like there's a light little off-road trail, nothing too crazy. I've done it plenty of times, right? Well, your boy gets approximately right here. Pretty sure it was right here. And I wasn't even going fast, guys. I think I was probably only going like 20 miles per hour, right? Your boy gets right here, and I'm riding. All of a sudden, I ride past, and a flock of birds come flying out right in front of me. Now, if you guys don't know me, your boy is terrified of birds, okay? Literally have a phobia of freaking birds. Prior to the pandemic, I went on a cruise to Mexico. And once we landed in Mexico, there was like a lady or a guy, I can't remember, but they had a parrot, and it was just like a little photo op. You know, you could just take a picture once you get off the boat. My mom, knowing that I'm terrified of birds, she offered me like $100 to go and let the parrot stand on my shoulder for the picture. Ain't no amount of money in the world is gonna allow me to touch no birds. Anyways, I ride past here. All of a sudden, a flock of birds come out of nowhere, right? I panic. So I panic, right? I immediately hit my brakes like this, boom, right? I hit them so hard, my bike slips from under me, and I'm pretty sure it was right here. I fall face down, boom, right here, right? And I was so shocked that I fell, I literally sat there for probably 10 to 15 seconds. Well, once I got up, I noticed that there was these freaking giant fat red ants. The bike got twisted up so bad where I think the throttle cable got unplugged or something's wrong where the throttle didn't even work. So unfortunately, your boy had to freaking pedal that heavy ass bike all the way home. And I was not close to home. Banged up my knee pretty bad, and banged up my hand pretty bad. My left arm / shoulder is pretty scratched up. This is probably the worst injury I've had in the past 5, maybe 10 years. Luckily, you know, I'm not traumatized. It hasn't stopped me from wanting to ride my bike. I've been riding my bikes ever since. I'm currently riding the Ride Deal. Luckily, I have like 3 bikes to myself, so I gotta take a look at Leticia and get her back up and running, but man, that's unfortunate. The good thing is that I was wearing a helmet, so I didn't get any head injuries, but man, got me thinking I should probably start wearing gloves and some other stuff, but sometimes it's just too hot out here to be doing all that, you know? Here is my knee. Ooh, that looks disgusting, doesn't it? Oh. Ride safe, wear a helmet, and don't panic, okay? That's in the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and until the next one, deuces. Like that.